Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix straight stories or posts not uploading on your iPhone. Let's get started. For secure internet connection, a slow or unstable connection can stop upload. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Next, check your available stories on your iPhone. Go to Settings on your phone, then tap on General, then iPhone Storage. If your storage is full, delete some unused apps, photos or files. Lack of storage can prevent uploads. Now close and reopen the Threads app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Threads app to completely close it. Wait a few seconds, then open the app again and try uploading. Next, update the Threads app. Go to the App Store, search for Threads and tap Update if available. Update often fixes bugs that prevents posts from uploading. If your post still won't upload, check file size or format. Make sure your photos or videos meet Threads requirements. Large files or unsupported formats can fail to upload. And that's it. These steps to fix Threads stories or post uploading on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.